Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Mayflower County Park in Blythe, California. Quartzsite, Arizona, where hundreds of thousands of RVers convene every year and camp out in the desert. For those few weeks, Quartzsite becomes the biggest flea market in the world, as well as the biggest gym show and the biggest RV show. Now, this is something every full-time RVer has to do at least once, and for the most part, it's a tradition where RVers get together every single year and hang out in groups and dry camp out in the desert. I've already had the pleasure of doing this, and I had a fantastic time. But one year I decided I wanted to take in a bluegrass festival in Blythe, California, and decided just to stay there and enjoy hookups. Mayflower County Park is right on the Colorado River and is only 22 miles from all the festivities in Quartzsite, Arizona. I was also very pleased to find out they honor Passport America Monday through Thursday, so I enjoyed the $11.50 rate for those 4 nights. Most of the sites are just water and electric, and I'm not going to say they're perfectly level, and some of the roads are a little iffy as well. They're a little bumpy in places. But what a great time. This is a really fun, active community, and many of these folks have been coming here for 40 years. Heck, when I first arrived here, there was this potluck picnic just sort of waiting for me. And while there's no formal calendar here for activities, people just sort of host their own parties, whether it's cards or watching playoff football outdoors or this. This is lawn bowling. Lots of laughs, lots of fun, and anybody can jump right in and do it. Yeah, this is a really special community, and I hope they keep up these traditions for years to come. Okay, it's time for my review of Mayflower County Park. I would definitely come back here. The folks that camp here are just fantastic. It's a long-standing tradition of many of these people to come here year after year, do their lawn bowling and different activities. It's just a super fun place to be. Not to mention its proximity to Quartzsite. Definitely come back. Well, I hope this information has been helpful to you. If it has, do me a favor, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. That helps my channel grow. Well, that's all I have for you today. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.